guys, so today I want to show one of my account. Okay, this is what I did it for the contest account basically. So as you guys can see, okay, this account, okay, we made a profit of 188, okay, with a deposit of $100. Okay, this is almost the account is about 1 month plus, okay, because we have a trading contest, okay, that actually normally I join. Okay, so this is a contest I want to, or the account I want to show, so that you guys can see how actually not to say it's quite easy or very easy, but it's just what you call to show that actually anyone or everyone, okay, basically can actually make profit or make some money out of forex trading or maybe any other instruments, okay, as long as you manage your risk management quite well. Okay, so let me see, just give me a second here. I want to see how I can delete. Okay, yeah, so as you can see here, okay, this account with $100 deposit, we made a kind of a scalping. Okay, the mode that I use here is pretty much scalping or sometimes intraday. Okay, so these are the two techniques, and with the high risk or medium risk trading, okay, so that we can actually gain, make a quick gain or short-term gain. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, it's all, and some of it actually manually cut loss. Okay, when we know the direction or the entry, this is it's not against with the direction that we wanted to go. Okay, so sometimes we just need to cut loss, or preferably if you have a stop loss, that would be the what do you call, the best method. But sometimes we don't want to tend to put a stop loss, okay, for some reason or variant, because this, we call it stop loss hunting, or sometimes the what do you call, market might move against and hit our stop loss, then only move in the original direction that we want. Okay, so that's why some traders or high risk traders maybe not use stop loss. But again, this is not recommended for your normal account or your portfolio growth account. This is more for high risk account or medium risk account where you want to make a quick gain. So this kind of trading strategy, normally we won't use stop loss. Okay, so it's just, as you can see here, some of it is just about 100 pips, or probably sometimes 40 pips, 50 pips. Some of it maybe 120 pips or 40 pips, or even some can be even 10 to 20 pips of what do you call, take profit. Okay, that I take on this account. Okay, again, this I'm going to just call it as a pips, but normally for gold we just call it as probably $1 or $2 profit. Okay, but I'm just interchanging pips to the dollar. Okay, just for the benefit of some of the traders, they loosely interchange with the pips and dollars. Okay, so as you can see, sometimes we get a profit, but again, there are times you probably make a small losses. Okay, here you probably have some big losses. Okay, here I have some big losses, and then after that probably recovered with some profit. Okay, with maybe small manual cut loss on some of the entries, because we can't get it right 100%. Another thing we need to understand, or what we need to really get in a trading, is there's no 100% win rate. No, you can, okay, it's not impossible, but you can get a 100% win rate, but we are not aiming for 100% win rate. We are just probably get quite happy with probably even 60 to 80% win rate, or even some traders probably happy with 40 to 50% win rate. But again, their risk reward ratio can be 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. Okay, So win rate to a certain extent, yes, it matters, but it's not the be all and all. Okay, guys. So make some profit, make some losses. Okay, at the end of the day, yeah, as long as your profit, net profit is more than your losses, that's good. Okay, you see here there are a couple of losses. Okay, but then quickly made up with few good entries or profit. Okay, you can see some of the entries here actually covered the losses. Okay, and then similarly here, as you can see, yes, the losses are inevitable. Okay, as you can see, but we just need to make some profit to counter or minimize our losses. Okay, so net I made a withdrawal of $200 so far, and I left the account with about how much balance. I'm leaving the account with about $94 balance. Okay, because I just want to continue. So basically I made almost just a simple calculation. With a deposit of $100, I'm withdrawing $200 already. Okay, so almost I gained 200% in a simple calculation here. Okay, so I'm withdrawing. So this is how you guys also can make quick money within 1 month, or actually even you can do similar strategy within 1 week, or actually you can do within 1 day, or even in 1 hour. It all depends on the strategy or the risk, or what's your game plan. Okay guys, at the end of the day we want to make money. Okay, so happy profit. Okay, you can type in your comment or any questions. Okay, probably I'll just review it, and then maybe follow my video YouTube channel for further educational videos or any other technique that I can share with you guys. Thanks everyone. Bye.